Dude, wait, what the fuck? What shoe is this? What's good, people? We're back again with a brand new video. Today's video is informative, funny, exciting and whatnot. Right now, I am outside Free Society store that's at Bandra West in Mumbai. Free Society is India's first globally curated multi-brand streetwear, sneaker and vintage store. Since we are a sneaker channel, we are going to focus majorly on sneakers, and alongside that, I'm going to show you the most expensive, the least expensive sneakers in the store, and also a fun game that you guys would love to watch. So are you guys up for it? Let's move! So guys, we have the guy Shashwat Singhania who's behind the Free Society store. He's the guy who actually thought about this whole concept. So we're going to talk about the whole concept here inside the store. So Shashwat, why don't you tell us everything about Free Society? How did this idea came into your mind?
So how Free Society came as a brand was that me and my partner Frankly Street, Sahil, we wanted to basically develop a concept which had retail and resale for everybody available who want to shop brands from all around the world, because there were people who were only doing resale or only doing retail. So we thought, we'd combine both of the two things so that you can get your hype stuff and you can get stuff that's sort of affordable also, whichever you like. And we curated personally towards brands that we thought were cool, not that what's only hype, but like brands that what we think are cool. So that's the whole idea behind Free Society.
Awesome. If I have to tell you very honestly, the moment I walked in the store, it's a very positively vibed, and the wall is so amazingly done. So I want to just quickly do the drip check. Tell us, what are you wearing in the outfit
this
today?
is a Palm Angels t-shirt.
Right.
This is again a t-shirt I had for many years now. I probably never will throw this t-shirt. I just love the way it fits with the low drop sleeves and everything. And
there's a print
at
behind
the back.
it.
We can show that print. Favorite font.
Right.
And then these pants are from Minimal LA. These guys, like a lot of people in streetwear, love them, and a lot of people hate them because they do copy a lot of styles.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, they copy everything, like the Zara of bottoms.
And you were telling me something about the sneakers. These are very special to you.
So these are actually one of my favorite all-time favorite sneakers. These are the Comme des Garçons Dunk Highs.
Okay.
As you can see, like the entire top of the shoe is completely transparent.
Correct.
And it's been done purposely, and I think it was like one of the first shoes to ever do this.
So Harman, I have a lot of questions to you because you are the one who manages the store here.
Yes, sir.
And I know it's such an exciting profession to be in, that you're selling people's shoes. And I have to ask you, which is the most expensive sneaker out here, and what would be the value of it?
So the most expensive sneaker we have at the store is the Air Dior High.
Okay.
It's a collaboration between Air Jordan and Dior brand.
I think it's right here.
Yeah,
right?
it's right here. Right now it looks a bit ugly, but we can't, we have wrapped it so that people don't touch it. It's a very expensive shoe. So we sell it for around 7 lakhs.
Guys, it's 7 lakhs.
And the best price.
And this is the best price.
It's a UK 9.5. So,
and when he says best price, there is no scope of bargaining. If you have 7 lakhs, just grab this one.
it's yours.
We talk about the most expensive sneaker.
Yeah.
Which is the least expensive sneaker? Something that I can have a hope that I can buy.
So we have a lot of used pairs at the store that we sell for steals.
Okay.
Also, if you're talking about the dead stock pairs now, then there are these Air Jordan lows here, and there are some dunks which we can sell around the retail price.
Oh,
yeah.
So there is. I'm very excited about this concept. As Shashwat told us, that there are hyped sneakers also. Those sneakers which are too much in demand, which are selling way more than the retail price. But then there are sneakers which are selling at retail also. So if there is someone walking in, he still has hopes that he can find something good, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Haman, also tell us, if someone ends up liking your product, if I come across your product on some social media page or somewhere, how do I buy it? What are the modes of purchasing?
So basically there are 3 modes. The first one is the website. It's www.freesociety.in, where you could just go to the website and check it out. Whatever you like, you could just place an order there. So the other one is the Instagram DMs. You could just DM us on Instagram to get a specific pair you like or anything else. So also you guys need to follow Free Society on Instagram. It will be right here somewhere. So we also post some steals at the end of the month. You need to check that out as well. And the third mode, the last one, is the straight walk-in. We have a store at Mumbai right now, Bandras to be specific. You could just come to the store and check it out, hang out with us and take the pair, whatever you want.
Come on, I want to quickly check what all stuff are you wearing today.
Okay.
And would you like to just elaborate on your sweatshirt? I just loved your sweatshirt.
So this hoodie is from H&M. It's the H&M and Justin Bieber ka collab.
Right.
So it's called a stadium hoodie.
Look at this, guys. I love this print. I love this print.
So inside I have a Bad Fit. The brand is called Bad Fit. It's Badshah's brand. So I'm wearing a t-shirt from it. And I'm wearing a Adidas Originals ka track pant and the Easy Foam Runners, the sand colorway.
So guys, here is the fun game that I was talking about. Shashwat, we're going to blindfold you.
Alright, perfect.
And we are going to present 5 sneakers one by one to him. So he has to guess the silhouette as well as the colorway. Now that's something really difficult. But I think he's got a good sneaker sense. So I'm sure he's going to guess it, but
Definitely.
it's just a matter of time. We'll just watch this right now.
Yeah.
So Harman is going to help me blindfold him. Harman, let's go. Let's just blindfold him. And let me just do the legit check. Bro, I hope you're not able to watch anything,
I
right?
can't see anything.
Pick the difficult one, not the
There's
easier
nothing
one.
too difficult.
We'll start with the easier one.
There's
Okay.
nothing difficult.
Okay guys, here's the pair and I'm handing him over. Okay, go ahead. Guess this one. Okay, not more than 30 seconds. Let's
The
make that
Jordan
rule.
one for
30
sure.
seconds?
The Jordan one.
Jordan one, alright.
UNC high.
UNC high?
Yeah, I mean the material feels like it's a UNC high. So
He got this one.
You have to be sure about it.
it's a UNC high for sure.
Okay, he got this one right. So he scored 1 point. This one. Let's see this one. Guess.
Wait, let
Okay,
me just see if I can feel a swoosh. Okay, that's a
alright.
shit. It sounds pretty hard.
Tell team to do this.
Let's close it.
Can you feel something on your fingers when you're rubbing on the upper?
Yeah.
You might get some
It's
idea
leather
about
texture I can feel here on the toe box. Some texture.
Alright.
Bro, I can't tell the brand right now. Is this a swoosh or not? I can't tell. Is this
Oh, is that difficult? My god.
Is this swoosh?
Okay, let's go in with last 30 seconds.
It feels like it feels like, I don't know why, if I had to like really say, I would probably say it's the Space Jam one. Space Jam 2.
Bro, you are damn bang on.
I can't believe it. I can't believe
Alright,
it.
nice. Okay, the third one.
I went as close as I
The
could.
third one. Okay, this one is going to be easy, I think.
Okay. Okay.
Any clue?
This
This
is another Nike shoe for sure.
Nike shoe, alright. The silhouette to be precise.
It has to either be the Michigan or I guess the white and red one. There can't be any other. It's either Michigan or white and red. I can't say which one. But
You'll have to choose one, na? Choose one.
Choose one. Let's close on one. Last 10 seconds.
Like, I'm trying to remember the material is different or not. Is the material different? I can't tell between white. I think I don't think they'd give me the Michigan. I'll say white and red.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh
Okay.
shit, that's crazy.
Three, okay. Okay. This is a sick pair, bro. I love that.
Oh, this is very easy.
Is it?
This is too easy. This y'all shouldn't have given me. I can say it straight. Should I just say it?
Go ahead.
Jordan 4 Royalty. It's the metallic black gold. This
Yeah,
y'all shouldn't.
I
This
think
is too easy.
the material
not
really.
easy.
It's alright, no problem. Okay, the fifth one. The fifth one, guys. Okay, the final one. Alright, here you go.
Dude, wait, what the fuck? What shoe is this?
No, you can't open.
Bro, why do y'all have this?
Bro, I mean, dude, what this? We're just playing, bro. I mean,
When did y'all get? No, we should be playing with this one. Bad idea.
Bad idea.
guys, that's how the Free Society store looks from inside. They've got some kick-ass sneakers and streetwear stuff. So if you guys are planning to buy any stuff in near future, do prefer Free Society. You can walk in, check out their website, follow them on Instagram. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends also, and do drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.